right now. Number 4 is Creality 3D printer. The Creality 3D printer is one of the most impressive 3D printers available for under $500. It combines high-temperature capabilities, versatility with multiple filaments, and a compact yet powerful design, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and beginners. With its brass nozzle, this printer can handle printing at temperatures up to a scorching 300 degrees Celsius. That means you can experiment with a wide range of filaments like PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PETG, and PA, igniting your imagination and unlocking endless possibilities. No need to hassle with changing nozzles when switching filaments, saving you precious time and boosting efficiency. The Sprite Full Metal Dual Gear Direct Extruder is the true star. Despite its petite size, weighing only 334 g, it packs a punch with an extrusion force of up to 80 N. This means smooth and reliable filament feeding, even with flexible materials, ensuring a stable and consistent printing experience. Say goodbye to the frustration of manual bed leveling. The Ender 3S1 Pro comes equipped with CR Touch, an automatic leveling system that accurately measures the nozzle to heat bed distance. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the